Alright, so today guys, it's an amazing day. We are going to be treating ourselves to our finest Indian experience. So I will be treating myself with Indian food, and if you're wondering like, why is Whelman eating Indian food all of a sudden? So I've eaten Indian food before, and I just want to try to have the finest experience in a restaurant. So I've never eaten food in a restaurant, like from just the Indian perspective stuff. I want to try and eat authentic Indian food. So today I'm going to be trying that, and we're gonna go to Mokoro Grill, which is just nearby. And from there I need to share with you guys the announcement I have for you before we go. So the announcement is, guys, we are 707 away from hitting 1000 subscribers, so please subscribe so that you can be a part of this beautiful journey. And now let me share with you the game plan, because last time we got kicked out to Hungry Lion, so we couldn't film. Make sure to go and watch that video. I will link it later on. So the game plan is, number one, we have to go and seek for permission before we start filming there, and then the second thing is we just have to order Indian food, and I bet we must speak a little bit of Hindi to calm him down. So let's go. This one, I'm sure it's the naan, and it's very spicy, so let me just try this. Usually I love eating using the Indian way, hands. I think you get to be so close to the culture, so very crispy. And this is the naan, and I can't identify the garlic, spices and all that, but we have to eat, because you know, when you're looking at the Indian menu, usually you can't even tell like what is this made of and all that, but you know, unless when you come to taste the food, that's when you can tell. Very delicious, yo. Guys, you have to come try this out. Chana masala, garlic naan. Oh my god, it's so hot and spicy. Guys, like, the experience I've gotten here is very amazing, and the food is top notch, because this recommendation was so good. And I have always been seeing this food, chana masala with naan, but I've never gotten a chance to try it in my life. So today I got the chance to try it. And guys, one thing is, make sure to live your best lives. Eat as much as you can, because you don't know what can happen tomorrow. Then from there, you have to make sure, guys, if you are in Shingala, you need to make sure to come try this food here at Mokoro. There are so many different Indian dishes. Make sure to come try this food. And guys, one thing is, I would love you guys to keep living your best lives, because the main mission is we have to live our best life. We need to live the life we want. We need to live the life we desire. So you have to explore different things and find what you like. Right now I'm falling in love with food, and make sure you also try something else. If you can't fall in love with food, make sure to just go try something else there. If it would be riding, if it would be swimming or whatever. So like, that's the main point. You just have to try, and once you keep trying, you have to find like the best thing that is for you guys. So right now I'm doing much of the food vlogs, because I'm loving them, you know. I'm loving the food vlogs, loving different culture foods, and especially the Indian food. I love Indian food, guys. And I said we're gonna speak some Hindi, but we didn't get a chance because we weren't with an Indian chef that side. He wasn't the one who brought the food to us, so we couldn't get a chance to speak Hindi. But the main thing is, later on I have to watch some tutorials, as I said, and look for an hairband. And guys, if you want to see how my hair looks like, let's get to 1K and I'm gonna show you how my hair looks like. It's premium content. Yeah, you're gonna see my mystery hair. So let's just keep eating. Then apart from eating, we have to, now guys, I have some future updates for you, and these updates are, the first thing is, we said 1 video a week. we are up for that. And later on, guys, the more interaction we are giving each other, you know, the more you are commenting, it will also motivate me to like make more videos. So please guys, make sure to comment on every video you watch, and make sure to visit also my other videos, because you are helping me, guys. You're not just helping yourself, you are helping me as well. You are supporting my journey. So please make sure to always like and comment these videos. I mostly subscribe as well as watch, and guys, tell me things you want me to be doing for you guys in every video. So let's just keep eating, and I'm gonna tell you what's next. Yeah guys, so we just finished eating up the food and it was so delicious. Make sure to come visit this place, it's very nice, and the food was so crispy, so spicy. On top of that, you know how Indian food is. And make sure to subscribe and like this video, as well as comment for more videos. And if you want to recommend me something, please comment it. I will be happy to reply and make that video. See you next week. Subscribe.